Today we will talk about the menstrual cycle, and we will mainly talk about the ovarian cycle. So it has three phases, as you all know: follicular phase, ovulatory phase, and luteal phase. Follicular phase lasts for 14 days, ovulatory phase lasts for 1 or 2 days, luteal phase lasts for 10 to 14 days. So the cycle consists of 28 days, or maybe it may be short or long, from 21 days to 35 days. The first phase is the follicular phase. As the name indicates, there are the growth of the follicles and how this process occurs. So first of all, let's go to the anterior pituitary hormone. First of all, there is the GnRH pulsatile released by the hypothalamus. Then there is the production of LH by the anterior pituitary. The LH acts on the granulosa cells and to produce estrogen mainly. So here's the estrogen levels are the rising. So increased estrogen production by the ovaries will cause the maturation of the dominant follicles. When there is the increased production of the estrogen, then there is the negative feedback on the FSH. So FSH production will decrease, and then due to this, all the other follicles will decrease or atrophy, while one dominant follicle, as you all can see here, will remain, and that dominant follicle will continue its growth. So at the end of the follicular phase, estrogen levels rises and FSH decreases. Now the next phase is ovulatory phase. Ovulatory phase is characterized by the ovulation mainly, and it is characterized by the LH surge. So there is certain increase in the LH that causes the ovulation, plus there is the positive feedback by the progesterone, which is produced by the theca cells. So once the ovulation occurs, it takes about 24 to 32 hours before the LH surge ovulation occurs. Then if now there are two pathways for the cycle to continue, if fertilization occurs or not. The third stage is the luteal phase. The luteal phase, after the ovulation, the remaining structure organize itself into corpus luteum. The corpus luteum will produce this hormone, progesterone hormone. The progesterone hormone is the dominant hormone in this phase, luteal phase, like the estrogen was in the follicular phase. Now it will maintain the pregnancy. However, if fertilization does not occur, the corpus luteum will degenerate into corpus albicans. On the other hand, if fertilization occurs, the progesterone produced by the human chorionic gonadotropin, the embryo will produce human chorionic gonadotropin, and it will maintain the corpus luteum, and it will continue to produce progesterone that will maintain the pregnancy. So this is the case of the if fertilization doesn't occur. So in that case, all the progesterone and the estrogen level will decrease, and FSH and LH then continue to rise, and the cycle hereby continues. One thing is here you can note now: body temperature 36 centigrade, 37 centigrade in this phase, like ovulatory and the luteal. Body temperature is maximum at the ovulatory phase. That causes the libido, increased sexual desire in females. So these things can come in MCQs like this: libido where happens, And you can see estrogen is the dominant hormone in the follicular phase, progesterone in the luteal phase, and ovulatory there is LH surge, and there is also estrogen level rises and decreases sharply here. You should keep this picture in your mind while describing the menstrual cycle, especially the ovarian cycle. In next video we will talk about the endometrial cycle, which is the second part of the menstrual cycle. At the same time, these two cycles goes hand by hand. So thank you. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and do like our channel, and please comment below, so tell us where we can improve. Thank you.